I am live. That's me. That's me right there. Wow. It's just me right now. Crazy. Pretty cool, eh? Pretty cool. Huh. Okay, well, I don't have any viewers, but I'll just talk into the camera, shall I? So basically, what's happening is I'm gonna trade US30, and I'm gonna do that with a 200k challenge account, and the whole goal is to try and pass it and get a payout in November using US30. So that's the point. Now, the prop firm I'm using is a one-of-one funding account, and that is a 200k account. It's also a one-step account. Now, my risk profile is going to be about 1.5% per trade. 1.5% per trade. Because with the one-step account, you've only got about 6% max drawdown, so I only got about 4 tries. Usually, I risk about 2% if it's a typical two-phase challenge, because then I get 4 to 5 tries, but otherwise I only get 3. But doing 1.5, I get 4. So we'll do that, and it'll take 2 trades to pass. 2 winning trades. That's about 300 points on US30 to pass the account. Now, I will take my US30 trades also on my Agile funded 100k account, but this 200k account is only going to be on US30. So GJ, put that aside for a little bit. But anyway, shall we go to the charts? So this is US30, and to be fair, might even get a setup today. So I will tell you what I'm looking for. I'm looking from that zone to this zone. Bang. Perfect. That's all I'm looking for. Um, it's a very easy strategy. Now, all I'm looking for price to do is if it opens in here, either tap in down to this zone or down to here to there. Might not do that, but what could happen is tap up, come down, push off. So either a break and retest. That's all I'm looking for. But I'm only looking for these 4 scenarios if price opens within this range. If it opens outside the range, then I'm looking for price to come down to the zone and push up. That's all I'm looking for. Everything I'm looking for is there. Now, it's brilliant. That's my zones marked up, really. It's a very simple zone. And once price reaches the zone, well, I'll be looking on the 5 minutes first of all, and price goes up, and I'll be looking for a rejection candle. So like upper wick, maybe a massive bearish body off from that top zone. Who knows? But I got it all marked out. That's all I need. And I actually set an alert up on this zone So we're gonna do time will end at 2:30 because I won't be looking for any more trades past 2:30. Anyway, alert name, what am I gonna call it? Tap into US That's what I'm going to do. Do that. 10 minutes to go. Um, yeah, it's not really much to it. Don't know if you can see my phone screen very well, but I'll show you the 200K account. Oh, there it is. Well, it's a 200K account. Don't think you can actually see it, but yeah, on my 101 funding there. And yeah, it's about 770 quid I paid for that. So that's brilliant. But yeah, if anyone wants to ask me anything, got a live chat. Perfect, right? I can probably even do the live chat on my phone. Yeah. For anyone here screaming, that would probably be my siblings because they are on the PS4 and PS5 at the moment. So yeah, little ones. But yeah, just any inconveniences if you hear any screaming, just to let you guys know. So how's everyone today then? Um, anyone want to see what happened for October? Because I'll show you real quick if you like. But this is the charts. Well, my calendar, shall we say. But yeah, so far it's been a good month trading wise. And I took a withdrawal as well. Three withdrawals actually. Um, yeah, equaling to about 3.2K. Not bad. Hey, my guy. Thanks, G. What's the daily drawdown? I believe it's about 3%. Let me go check on that one. One of one. Oh, I'm not. It's crazy. How do I log in? Oh, there I am. Daily loss limit is maximum $8,000. So for a 200K, that's 4% actually. Yeah, that's 4%. So I'm profit target's 8%. So that'd be two winning, well, two trades that take me up 300 points, risking 1.5%. So I'm doing a fixed lot. So I'm only risking 30 lots every trade, essentially. That's what I'm doing. Max loss 12,000 dollars. So that's about 6%. 6% max loss, 4% daily loss. So it's not bad. Like, again, I'm not going to be risking. Is it balance based? Well, I hope it is. I hope it is balance based. I literally only got this one-on-one funding yesterday, actually. Uh, this account is basically, sparked up for the live stream, really, because I want to show the journey live instead of having it all pre-recorded, right? Hmm. Shall we go onto the website together, actually? Because I think that'd be fun. No, not home. I want to go to Just a typical one of one. One of one. Funding. Funding. Just make that homepage. Frequently asked questions. We'll do that. We'll do that. How did you last month in October? I'll tell you what, October's pretty good. Um, does it tell me the rules? Trading conditions. Bruh, do I need to set stop loss? Nope, perfect. Got a trade copier on. Can I utilize? We allow? Perfect. I do that. Um, is there any time limit? No, I know that. But yeah. I'll show you my TradeZella. And let me tell you, TradeZella, someone from TradeZella reached out on Instagram and he was like, do you want to try out TradeZella? Yes, yes, please. So I got a yearly subscription given to me, so it's quite nice. And still need to get used to it. Probably need to yeah, build a playbook and utilize all the features. But I'll probably try to do that sorted for 2025 because I am still on the very manual type on the Google Sheets. Now, yeah, so October was pretty good, my guy. So yeah, 2K week. Then I had a break even week. Here, I actually went away to Plymouth. I think that's the most recent video actually. So yeah, my videos are typically like 2 weeks like backlogged essentially. But yeah, so you don't actually know I've got a funded account, a 100K funded account, you guys. Yeah, just realized that. I do have a video premiering called POV, You're a Funded Trader, but Um, yeah, so I got that funded account. I'll tell you where, about here on the 21st is when I passed it, phase two, and then funny enough, I grabbed it. I know you get a little sneak peek of the video. I mean, you don't really need to watch that video now, but bang, 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 three losses in a row immediately after I get my funded account, and then I'm like, great, I'm 3.5% in drawdown, and then bang, bang, two winning trades brings me 1.2 in percent profit. So let me just grab my Aqua Funded account and I'll show you. Oh, log in. Is that the go to metrics? Yeah. So here it is. So this is my actual funded account and I am 1.2% in profit. So we will take that. We will take that. We've got about a minute and a half until US30 opens. Well, New York Stock Exchange open. Hi, do you trade ICT concepts or just pure price action? Price action really. I have no idea how ICT trades. I've never really looked into it, and to be fair, I've stuck with this strategy. Looking at previous session zones for nearly 2 years. January coming up, that would be 2 years I've been stuck with the strategy, and it hasn't all been sunshine and rainbows with the strategy. But one thing I know is I stuck with it and I understood the strategy like the back of my hand. So, yeah, if you stick with the strategy long enough, you should really know it and work on your psychology afterwards, because then that's just a recipe for progress. But yeah, it looks like I'm going to be taking a trade from US high. It looks like potentially, and I might have to get my. Is that a MetaTrader 4? Yeah, MetaTrader 4. Just set this up so it's ready for an execution on US30 for 5 lots. Perfect. So I take all my trades on a personal. Oh, damn, it's already at the zone before. Crazy. But yeah, I take my trades on my personal account, and I have a trade copier that copies all my trades to my prop firm accounts. That's perfect. Well, didn't quite tap into the zone. Looks like it's leaving without me. Thanks, thanks US30. But yeah, that could be how it plays out today. Just didn't tap into my zone, runs without me, or I could always tap back in and then show me a rejection. But again, you have to be okay with not taking trades. Majority of the trading days, majority of the live streams anyway, I'm I imagine I won't be taking trade. I think I'm gonna have less than a 50% trade rate for so over half the streams I'm gonna probably just watch charts, just fiddle around. But anyway, I don't know. Is there anything you want me to be doing as well while trading? Because I've got like a double screen setup, so like because I got dual monitors, right? I can have the charts on the right side. I can have you guys. Well, I got you guys on the left side, but I could always play Minecraft or something on the other screen if you want. Um, but trading wise, yeah. So 1:30. Well, it's 1:30 that New York Stock Exchange opens in the UK because of the slight time shift that we've got with daylight saving hours. I think this Sunday the US will then, shift, and then once they shift, it'll be back to normal. 2:30 UK time. It will be when New York Stock Exchange opens. So this is actually the only day I'm going to be streaming at 1:30. Uh, the rest of the weeks will be 2:30 because that's when New York Stock Exchange opens. It means I have to go to the gym a lot earlier. But yeah, no, just getting used to yeah, shifting my schedule just for this week slightly. Man, time zones. Can't we all just live on the same time? Which trade copy am I using? I use the one and only Traders Connect. I've had no issues with them, and let me tell you, actually, they have really good customer service. I like that. Uh, yeah, every time I have a problem, I just type in the chat, well, live chat, and then some guy responds to me within 10 minutes. And then, yeah, go back and forth a little bit, and then the issue is resolved. Quite a lot of the time, the issue stems because I'm an idiot. I know. Price does look like it is going to tap into my zone, though. But yes, I had a problem where I couldn't. It's busted through. Anyway, TradingView has just decided not to work. Can't be doing that while I'm live. But yeah. One problem I had with a prop firm is that I the trades didn't copy, and I was like, why is it not copying? And the guy was like, because you used the investor password, so you couldn't really do anything. Didn't have access to actually place trades. I was like, I feel like an idiot now. For some reason, my actual TradingView app does not want to work, so I'm just gonna have to use it on the web browser instead. That is just brilliant. So we'll just do that. Always have backups, right? I don't know why. I don't. Maybe it's my computer. Maybe it's not kitted out for handling um so much going on. I've got the TradingView app on. I got OBS. I got I don't know Google Chrome. I don't think I'll be doing much. To be fair, I don't think playing Minecraft at the same time live stream my computer can handle it. So probably not. Oh, might actually break through. And if it does, might be looking for longs instead. And yeah, should be too bad. It'll be, well, it's a very small zone. It's a 28-point zone. So yeah, could we get some action here, guys? Could be getting action, or it might just run without me. Do you trade mainly indices? Um, US30 is quite a recent one, I must say. Like, if you look at my history, like my FX trades, like it's mainly GJ, but I've only just introduced US30 this month because I spent the last 2, 3 months, like, first of all, back testing it, then forward testing it, and now I've traded it live this month, and I've had great success with this. So much more than GJ. I've always traded GJ, trading during London session, and yeah, I just find so much more success with it. This is why I'm more comfortable with putting a 200k account in to trade this. And yeah, because I find it so much more simpler. I can come in the afternoon, trade this, and yeah, whereas GJ, it hurts my head sometimes, but you know, think there is a lot of work to do on GJ for me at least. But yeah, it looks like there is potential because it broke through the zone. Now I'm looking for, upside. and tap in. Yeah, tap in from this high. It's not too bad. And yeah, that's 300 points there. It's 300 points. Yeah, so I'll be targeting somewhere around there. Too bad. Again, price could just come back down, completely violate the zone, and then it'll be a no trade day. But yeah, the broking. I think we disconnected a second there, but hey, I think we're back anyway. But yeah, I think TradingView does not want to run at the same time as OBS, so I'm going to have to do TradingView on the web instead. It's always good fun. But yeah, now I'll show you I'll show you my watch list at the minute. Just GJ and US30. That's it. That's all I trade. Yeah, indices are so simple, I must say. Whereas GJ, there's always this market structure. You gotta follow the trend. Whereas US30, it's just wherever it takes me. I'll buy, sell, whatever it tells me it wants to do, you know. I don't have a Discord, unfortunately. Um, I don't know if it's worth doing it because I don't know how many people would actually join. Because I'm a very small channel at the end of the day. I might have like 5 people join. But yeah, let me know. Oh, it is looking like it's wanting to reject. So potential. We'll see. We will see. We got 2 minutes until the candle closes. And when it does, if it's a very, very bullish candle, then I'll take the trade. If not, it's got a massive upper wick, small bullish body. I'll probably leave it until it gives me another candle that's very bullish. But yeah, I've got the MetaTrader on my phone waiting to be executed. And my God, if it gives me a massive stop loss, I'll cry. It might give me a massive stop loss. This is not great. Because if it does, I will be very sad. How long have I been trading? So I've been live trading nearly 3 years. I'd say about, yeah, February 2025 would be me 3 years live trading. But I've seen, heard, and been demo trading the market for like a year prior because I was 17. You can't trade when you're under 18, unfortunately. So I've been demo trading on a paper trading account for like a whole year beforehand. And yeah, well, we got 50 seconds until the candlestick closes. We will see. I do think I will be taking a trade, guys. And yeah, it's just it's a shame. Do I have MetaTrader? Oh, I don't. Don't know if I have MetaTrader on. It's a shame. Right, then I do want you to pull back a little bit at least, give me a slightly more favorable entry. 18 seconds. I'm looking for a buy, so I'm gonna press buy. 13. Okay, it's just disrespecting me. That's just great. All right, that is me entered in the position. Immediately in drawdown. Good fun, good fun. PPI, I understand. At 2 o'clock, we will get PPI. When you will consider yourself profitably. Oh wait, you're taking it with me. Oh no. Oh God. Please tell me you put like a zero point 0.1 lot on. A 0.01 lot. That's crazy. I need to set my stop loss actually. Give me a second. When will I consider myself profitable? Um, Probably when I quit my part-time job. However, I did say I am going to quit my part-time. Let me just put the stop loss on quick before I. Hmm. Stop loss is on. Perfect. So that's my trade running. Where's my terminal? Bang. Can you guys see it? Well, oh, so I'm in the trade. Stop loss is on. When will you consider yourself? When I hit 10 grand in a singular month? Because I said to myself, I won't leave my part-time job until I hit that nice five-figure mark in a month. I know, a bit ambitious. Yes, I know. That's me. That's just me though. But this month I've taken. This month I've yeah taken 4 grand in. So yeah. So I'm basically 40% of the way there. Just gotta try do it for what do you call it? Try do it for November coming up. But hey, do I have a stop loss set? Yes, I have a stop loss set. Perfect. Everything's going good. Going good. Going good. Um, yeah. I hope you're using proper risk management. If the guy who's taking the trade with me, hopefully not full porting it again. To be fair, on my personal account, I do risk 5%, but that's just because I don't expect to have a 10 trade losing streak, you know. So we'll see. Computer is acting up though. That is unfortunate. What's going on? To be fair, on my personal account, I do risk 5%, but that's just because I don't expect to have a 10 trade losing streak, you know. So, but yeah, taking the trade, it is still sat in drawdown. I always like it sat in drawdown. It's my chart. I can't access my MetaTrader in my computer now, so I just got to do it all on here. It's my entry about. Yeah, solid. And oh yeah, TP. Where will my TP be? Now I'm risking 1% of my 10k. You know what? That's nice. That's a decent decent risk management. You like that? Yeah. Do you trade indices only, or do you trade other things as well? And how's your 10k evaluation going actually? Are you in a drawdown at the minute, or are you in a profit? So if trade doesn't hit stop loss nor TP, I usually close out by 9 p.m. That's actually a rule I've just instated for this month because I used to close out at 7 p.m. and my reasoning was I want to go to bed. I don't want to be managing a trade until 9 p.m. Right? Because 9 p.m. that's when I hit the pillowcase. But yeah. So basically, I said 7 p.m. because I just wanted to relax in the evening. But realizing I'm actually losing out on on a bunch of reward by just closing a little bit earlier. Because yeah, going back on 3 months of data in the past, it's actually given me quite the equity, like a whole 300 points I missed out last month. Well, last 3 months if I close at 7 p.m. But yeah. Okay, he's not in any positions. Fair enough. $30, 10K. That's crazy. $30. Fair play. Spent 770 quid for this 200K account. Watch me blow it in like 3 trades. That'd be crazy. But yeah, no, so my target, if you want to set a hard TP, is 300 points. Unless if it was a trade that opened here, came down, then I would be targeting the low, which would be about 230 points. But since I don't have really a set zone, 300 points, and yeah. What am I doing? Where am I trying to get this price range? Bang. Looks like trade is running against me. That's unfortunate. Well, I pray for your 10K account. Fair enough. That's fair. So is it actually $30 for the 10K account? What's it called? Equity Edge. Let me Google search this one real quick. Equity Edge. .co.uk. Oh, no minimum trading days. That's nice. 8% split. Oh yeah, one thing with one of one funded is that it's 100% payout because it's no secret that you're not actually on a real money account. That is crazy. $20 for the 5K, $30. So I'm assuming this is just on promotion at the minute. But yeah, fair play. Oh, it's a one step as well. Are you on a one step or is it a two step are you doing? You're actually in profit? That's crazy. Well, I'm chilling here in the red, so it's fair play. Nice. But yeah, you're on a two step, fair enough. Well, I'm doing a one step 200K count, so hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will work out in 2 trades, essentially. But again, I've got leniency. If I take an L, you know, 3 trades, right? How much are you up in your 200K? This 200K account I just bought yesterday, and I bought it specifically for live streaming right now, right here. So uh, that is why it's at a fresh 200. So the balance is, well, it's actually negative, the equity right now. But yeah, fresh, no trades, no trade history. Just 200. But I am in it. I'm not actually even on the trade. It's crazy. Interesting. Executed my trade copier. That is interesting. Is it because of my lot sizes? Apparently, I didn't have enough money. Hmm, interesting. Well, at least I'm executed on the actual prop firm that I'm funded with, but 200k account? I have to investigate that. I have to see. Is there like a max lot size I can place on a trade? Oh, and to answer your question earlier, it is balance-based drawdown. So what's a max leverage on it? Going along a GU. It has, isn't it? It's pretty nice. But I am confused. Hmm. Even my margin's at 100%. I'm trying to figure out why my trade copier didn't execute. But I did execute my personal account, yeah. Hmm. Interesting. What is my leverage? That's what I want to know. Well, I mean, this trade is running against me at the minute. Frequently asked questions. Let's go on that. Margin requirements. Interesting. Well, chilling at 43 points in drawdown isn't too bad. But this might have to be a long plague. I will show you actually what the other day um, trade result actually came in. So this was ag, and I'll show you here. Again, a sneak peek onto my video that will come up probably the week after. But yeah, two identical trades. So took this trade here, bang, and I also took this trade here. Which, where is it? There it is. Bang, bang. Somewhere along there. But yeah, these two trades, again within the range, targeted that range. Back to back, quite nice. And that's what took my funded 100k funded out of drawdown. How much do I have funded? Well, just 100k. Well, in comes the news. Let's see how the news reacts to price. See, is it? This is DXY. Wow, still around 40 points in drawdown. Hmm. still chilling in the trade. No panic. If it's an L, it's an L. But I probably do have to change my trade copier settings later after this trade, so it cooperates with me. There's not enough money to queen. Okay. Well then. Hmm. Interesting. Well, we do have. Is it bearish? The S&P Global Manufacturing is worse than expected. ISM Manufacturing PMI again worse than expected. Well, oh, and also we got the elections, US elections next week. That's gonna be a tough one to trade, I must say. Not just US elections, but we've got the UK interest rate and the US interest rate and US elections all next week. Exploding my mind. So yeah, it'll be a bit of a funny one, I must say. Right, so I have Trump to win. I think a lot of people are trying to stop him winning, you know, as a, hint, hint, the assassinations, but I think he actually has it in the bag. That's just my opinion. I think we might see another Trump presidential run. We'll have to see. And I hope US30 doesn't play around because I am so confused with this one-on-one funding. Will it break the highs it's created? I don't know. But if it does, then we'll see um, how far this can run. Looks like you're back in profit, my guy. If Trump wins, I'm short in gold. Fair enough. What, so you're bullish on the US dollar again? Fair enough, fair enough. Well, it looks like price is at entry again. However, my what's it called? Yeah, I've just put a 5 lot onto one-on-one funding, but I thought I needed a 30 lot. considering that's how, my lot sizes work with my broker. But yeah, we're in the blue boys. This is the one-of-one funding, and I'll show you my personal. Wow, a whole £30 up, whereas MetaTrader showed me 1,000, which is crazy. But yeah. Oh, and I don't think I've explained this, but you see, I've got this little arrow here, 100 points. So if price hits 100 points, I go break even. That's how I do it. That's how I, manage to trade, and then I just let it run. I don't bring my stop loss into profit any more than break even. But yeah, that's typically how it goes. Simple rules, really. Like target maximum of 300 points, go break even at 100 points, and yeah, that's how it goes. Well, what do you guys think about the well, if you're from the UK, what do you think about the tax rises? Mainly for the employers as well, because employers' tax is now going to go up, pay a little bit more. So if you employ people, must suck for you. Showing out about 40 points now in profit. Time to go to Dubai. uh, yeah. I mean, funny enough, some of you guys might not know this, but I was born in Dubai. Born in Dubai, lived there until I was 11 years old, and then, dipped. Dubai's nice. I would so 100% go back. But first, I need to get 200k funded account first, and then I can go to Dubai. But I reckon, I think the first move would be going to somewhere like Southeast Asia, somewhere where expenses are real low, whereas, you earn in currencies a lot stronger. It's just a cheat code, right? Like I earn in British pounds, but I spend in Thai baht. You should come back with the 10k. What do you mean by come back with the 10k? How you go about losing streak and risk management. Losing streak, just sit down, have a good stare at myself, and be like, is it psychological or is it the system? Uh, I look back through my trades and I'll tell you what, a couple of the losses I take, perfectly fine. Supposed to take them losses. The other couple of trades, I'm like, hang on a minute, that's psychological right there. Uh, how do I go about risk management? I just risk a fixed lot every single time. Don't change it. I don't cut down the risk when I'm in a losing streak. I don't increase when I'm in a winning streak. That's just how it goes. Yeah, Southeast Asia must be nice. Also, it's like a good hub for entrepreneurs, right? A lot of people go there. A lot of digital nomads. So also be probably a great networking opportunity. 10K month goal. Oh, the goal. Yes, 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 you're right. Um, yeah, when I quit my part-time job after hit that 10K month goal, and then I can move to Dubai. Who knows? But yeah, I do think 10K a month is actually very achievable with just a couple prop firms, especially with trading my own money. Like I made 3K with my personal account, and I've only got like a 10K account, right? Risking 5% of trade, but it shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad. Price is pushing again. But yeah, so like if I made 3K this month, well, if I made 3K October from a personal account, all I needed was another 6K to fill it in. 100K is basically, yeah, essentially 30%. You're right. But how I treat risk management is this is my view at least. Like, I don't think you should deposit all your money into a trading account because let's say like you're driving, you get a flat tire, you need that money. You're right. What are you gonna do? Withdraw it from the trading account? No, you're gonna have some on the side. So like, I don't have 50K, but let's say you got 50K, right? But you're like, okay, I want to trade with 50K, but I don't really want to put all 50K in a trading account. So what you could do is put 25K into a trading account, get the other 25K into a savings account, and then just risk 2% on that 25K account, and then just go, 2% on a 25K account is basically 1% on a 50K account, you know? And at the end of the day, I sat myself down and I'm like, am I okay losing 500 quid in one single trade? Yeah, I'm fine with that, you know? And that's why I do a fixed lot because every losing trade I take is 500 quid and I know exactly how much I'm going to lose. So we're at about 70 points in profit at the high at least. 70 points. What do I do for work? Nothing too crazy. Oh, yeah, grow small accounts with good risk. Yeah, 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 exactly. But what do I do for work? I work in a pub. I pour pints, I wait tables. Simple as, and I basically do it on the weekends. Like I try to make sure my shifts are out the way. Unfortunately, next Friday, I am working from like 11, so you won't be seeing me live streaming. So because I'm working till like 6 p.m. or something like that, so I won't be here present to do live streaming. Hopefully, I don't really know if I can trade really while I'm working, so that's unfortunate. There are times that I've been, you know, in a trade at work, but I didn't execute the trade. I exited the trade at work. Like, yeah, and the landlord was like, you know what? I don't mind if you like check your phone. There's a lot at stake, and she understands. She knows where my ambition is. Like, you know, not waiting tables the rest of my life, and that's fine. Supports it. It's all cool. But yeah, no, I honestly love where I work anyway. Uh, Great people. You know, it's not too depressing. Well, maybe a little bit, but like, you know, it's good fun. I'd have no animosity towards my employers. They're great people, good fun, and yeah, it's just how life goes. But again, I'm trading because I want to live a good life, not because I'm trying to escape. The trash job I've got. I don't mind the job. I just expect I have higher standards for myself. That's all. From where did you learn the forum you trade today? So there's a guy called Wealth FRX. You might have heard of him, you might not, but he doesn't really post much. But went and got his course and learned his strategy, which was very simple. And the other 50% of the course is very psychological based. So yeah, if you want to be good, like really good at trading, being like a high level operator, you need to work on the mind. So yeah, I definitely recommend checking that out. You know what? This is the first time like properly live streaming with a small audience, and it's not too bad because all the other times I've live streamed, I had like 20 subscribers and no one ever tuned in. So I was like, yeah, back in the day, I used to do a pre-market analysis like before London opened, and I was like, you know what, this is what I'm looking for, X, Y, Z, and then that was it. But now, how do you go about holding about emotions in holding trades? Um, I'll tell you what, I'm not the best at it. Like, I I do cry. I mean, it was a joke. I don't cry, but you can feel it inside, like burning up when you see a trade. Yeah, like the trade that I took here. Oh my days. When this trade went up and it was so close to TP and it just bounced around, I was melting inside, I must say. But I held it because I know my plan is to hold it and not close early, right? It was painful, and you know what I did? To take my mind off the trade that was currently playing, I started, playing Ready or Not on the other screen. I had the screen turned off, and then I had an alert set at TP, so if price hit TP, I'd get notified. And so, and then so, price smacked it, and I was like, oh no, I'm in TP or hit TP. So I had my mind off it, playing Ready or Not. But yeah, that's how I usually I try to disconnect from the charts. But I mean, right now, I did sit in drawdown for like a solid 20, 30 minutes, but I'm in front of you guys, so kind of have to. And how you go when price hits your stop loss and flies to you. That happens sometimes. Uh, does get very annoying, but I just move on to the next trade really, because think about it this way: if price flew to your take profit, not trade, but you missed out, fair enough. All you got to do is just wait to take the exact same trade, just like that, except it won't take you out and it will fly to your TP. Is what it's telling you is that there's potential. Just got to wait for it. And it's about to hit my break even zone, to be honest. So that'd be nice. Do I use break even? Yes, I do. So when it hits, it's nearly there actually. So when price hits 100 points in US30, I go break even. Break even is very slightly different when I use like, GJ. So like, because I trade zones, if it hits another zone, then I'll go break even. But with US today, it's just a strict 100 points. And to be fair, I think that is 100 points. That is 100 points. So I am gonna go break even on modified trade. Stop loss gonna be 421. Well, I'm gonna just type out some numbers here so I can execute, so I can remember what my just do that. Really, just for positions, loss. Just gonna do that. Right, ignore that. I'm just using it to set my TP, not TP, a stop loss to break even. Okay, cool. Chart showing me. It's not the wrong chart. Yeah, so that's there. Might trade a four. I could do that as well. What if I say 130? Bang. Class. Yeah, do your thing, bro. No worries. There it is. Trade on. You're right. I do. So for my personal account, I trade MetaTrader 4. A little bit old school, although I am quite young. I'm not that old school, but yeah, I use the old school technology. But for my prop firms, I use MetaTrader 5. But I like it that way because I have two separate apps for one for my own money and one for prop firms. So for all my prop firms are MetaTrader 5, all my personal money is on MetaTrader 4. So I don't get confused flipping between the different accounts. It's quite nice. And how is my guy doing with a 10K account that he took the trade with me? You know, didn't want the responsibility of you taking an L, I must say. But yeah, you doing good? And this is where he's not here anymore. So sad. Decided to take the profits and run away from my stream. Damn. Deep profits. Ah, he's there. He's still there. That's crazy. Ah, that's brilliant. Well, at least you're at break even, so you're not gonna lose any. Yeah, fair enough. At least you're not gonna lose anything. We'll take that. Alright, where is it? Because my copier didn't take the trade, I'm gonna have to manually put my take profit on MetaTrader 5. Because typically on Traders Connect, you don't need to have copy TP and stop loss orders, right? Like if you exit the trade, it will just exit for you. But yeah, there it's my TP set. Bang. Perfect. Back to the 5 minute. Chin out 120 points in profit. So yeah, that's doing good. So sir, you're welcome for that. But yeah, make sure you've got your TB set to 300 points, and don't try to hold past it. In my opinion, just keep it as set 300. And yeah, I just put my take profit on my MT5, and it is a lot smoother, I must say, than doing it on a MT4 because you can just slide it up and down. It's quite nice. I like that feature. But yeah, it's keeping and pushing. It's absolutely brilliant. So I don't think you can see it, but like this is my MetaTrader 5 on my one of one funded, and that is about 7K in profit. What do I need? I need 16K, don't I? Yeah, 16K for 8%. How much do I risk my funded account? So if it's still in the challenge, phase one, phase two, typically I risk 2% because I'm aggressive and I want to get the account passed. If it's actual funded, 1% because I don't want to lose the account. I don't care about losing it in the challenge phase, but once it's funded, 1%, you know? But yeah, so this trade is either a break even or a profit, really. So, and it's the first day of November as well. So just secured a 3 grand trading profits in October. We'll see how it goes for this. And yeah, So on my actual funded account right now, don't know. So it's actually chilling at 1.2% in profit because, well, I am at 120 points. So because I'm doing 10 lots. So, oh well, it's shooting up actually. But yeah, that's how the trade's going. So I mean, the account balance was already at 1.2% profit. If it hits 300 points, that'll be about another 3% on top of that. So be close to 4%. Yeah, 4.2%. So close to 5. And that would hit the, yeah, so I probably should just put the account to the side and then wait for the 14-day payout window, I think. I think that's what I should do, at least. Well, depending on how this trade hits, if it's break even, then I'll cry. I won't cry. I'm not that emotionally weak. Promise. I've seen it all. I've seen it all. Seen the amount of times where I hit stop loss and gone to TP. Yeah, that hurts. The amount of times where it hits break even and then got to TP. Yeah, that also hurts. Makes you reconsider the break even rule sometimes. So yeah, with my one-on-one funded, I actually don't know how this works because with Aqua funded, you know, 10 lots, that's essentially one. Is that no? It's not $1. It's $10 per point. But this is I don't know why it's a five lot and I'm 7 grand in profit. What? I am confused at how this works with lot sizes. Am I a rookie? Maybe I am a rookie. Maybe I don't really understand how trading works, but we make bank. We okay. So they're still pushing. So you, my guy, are probably 2% in profit, I must say. Anyone tuning who isn't subscribed, pretty please. I don't usually ask to subscribe in my videos, but hang on a minute. I just got 5 subscribers. Is that because of you guys? It's crazy. Maybe live streaming is the one. Maybe I should live stream a little bit more. Well, I am gonna live stream every day, every weekday for November at least for this uh funded account at least. This 200K. But yeah, my guy's probably chilling at 2% in profit on his equity edge 10K account, so fair play. I don't really need that anymore. Thing is, right, it's now 2:30. Oh, PV11. So that's my boy right there. Just at 2%. Fair play to my guy hitting 2%. Yeah, probably gonna hit. You're probably gonna hit about 3% profit actually, if it hits TP. But yeah, no. Great, you're doing live stream. I am doing live streams now. But I did put a poll up on my community saying, should I do live streams? And 15 people voted. 14 said yeah. One of you said no. I don't know who you are, but you're a hater for real. But yeah, doing a live stream. I am in a trade currently. However, my computer is has it fixed itself? It has fixed itself. Look, that's brilliant. So this is my account. I'm £600 in profit. Brilliant. And yeah, when's the next video out? PB11. You know when the next video is out. Don't play with me, mate. Um, it's every Sunday. Every Sunday at 6:30 is when well, UK time. And yeah, we're doing pretty chill right now. Doing pretty chill. The thing is, here's the dilemma. So my plan is to usually trade, well, be live between, well, for today at least, end at 2:30. But the thing is, I'm in a trade. And I don't know if you guys want to still watch me, live in a trade, because I have a secret. I haven't had lunch yet, and I've got a rump steak waiting for me to be cooked. So I might have to hold out on that one because you guys are here. But yeah, thing is, TP could get hit at like 9 p.m. Am I gonna be live until 9? I hope not. But I've told everyone my parameters, so you can check yourself if the trade hits or not. But yeah, it's the last day of the week. Setting out Friday with a dub. Actually, so that means I've taken 4 trades this week with 5 trading days. So that's about damn. I that's about 80% trading days. Fair enough. So that'd be well, there's either break even or a winner. But if it's a winner, then I'll have 3 winners, 1 loser this week. So we'll take those. We take those. So yeah, I am waiting for that. So actually, I do have a work shift as well. I, I do have a work shift starting at 5, so I legitimately cannot be here until 9 p.m. But yeah, that's interesting. Oh, it's doing a little pullback. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. This is when it takes everyone at break even. It's crazy. So, do you guys actually like the vlog style videos, or do you guys like a different style? Are you guys happy with how the videos are coming out? Some of them I do put a bit of effort into the editing. Some of them is just slapped together, put that out here and there. Depends on the week how busy it is for me. Can you also screen capture the position on your MT5? Do you have rules for max weekly, daily, and loss? Screen capture. Um, I can't. I can do it on my MT4 like that. You know. So that is my MT4. So that's my personal account, and can't do my MT5 because funny enough, my I don't have my logins for MT5 on the computer. I just do it all on my phone because I don't really need it. It's all on a trade copier anyway. But yeah, that's my MT4, guys. Do you have rules for max week slash daily lose? Uh, me typically it's 1 trade a day, but but I've been trading US30 lately, so there's a lot of trades opportunities compared to GJ. So there might be a day where I take a GJ trade in the London session and then a US30 in the afternoon. But back in the day when I used to only trade GJ, it was a 1 trade a day only. La 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 la. Live streamers have like a small box that shows the P&L of their active position. This gives more credibility. Well, you can see it. It's turned down. Maybe I'm just speaking very, very slow to do that. I don't know. Should I just speak? Should I? Yeah, I'll probably speak a little bit louder because I have my indoor voices on, because family and that don't want to hear me screaming that I'm losing all my life savings away trading trading the US stock market. Right. I actually don't know how to increase my volume any more than this. I am very new to live streaming, just to let you know, guys. Crazy. It's reversing on me. Oh, how funny. How funny you are. Water. Got no water now. So yeah, how the MT5 positions are doing. Well, it's not at 7K anymore, it's at 6. You're a very disciplined trader and content creator. Keep doing what you're doing. Loving every bit of it, mate. Thank you. Thank you, mate. I do try to keep up with the social media. However, trading is my main focus, so if there's ever a point where I am busy, content creation might have to take the hit because I will always prioritize trading over social media. Anyway, I don't have enough watch time to turn on monetization slash the subscriber count anyway yet so far. Time's my work shift. Is it 5 or am I lying? Yeah, no, it's 5. There it is. The grey box. That's 5. Oh, we got 12 concurrent viewers. Hello, guys. How's everyone doing? Don't know. So far, I've got 68 views. That's interesting. I don't know whether that's good or bad because last time I live streamed, I had 0 total viewers. Like this is a while back. This was before my vlogs came in, you know. Yeah, just so the style of content I was doing before was like, your how to do this, how to do that, etc. The things you'd watch like an established trader would post online, and I realized that just isn't me because I'm not there yet. I don't think I've got the credibility to give, sort of advice because after all, I am a trader on the journey like everyone else. But to be fair, I don't think I'll ever be, completed it, mate, sort of thing. Everyone's going to be on the journey. It's a lifelong thing. But yeah, I can. So yeah, I stopped doing that and started just doing vlogs, right? People loved it. People prefer those. So yeah, I'll probably keep doing the vlog styles for a while at least, for a little while. Thing is, my computer is absolutely hating this live streaming thing because it just can't handle it all. I've got everything open, like OBS, MetaTrader 4, OBS, yeah, OBS, I said that, Google Chrome, everything. It's just not handling it. Like I can't open anything else now. Like it's got my mouse is just doing that loading thing now. It's just I hope it doesn't crash. It hasn't crashed yet. You know what? Let's say hi to the vlog because I'm gonna include this in my next week's thing. So yeah, I'll tell you what, live streaming, it's doing all right. It's doing all right. So yeah, shout out to my boys right there. Love from all. What prop firm are you using and why that specific prop firm? Well, I'm using Aqua Funded at the moment, and that is my funded account. Is there any specific prop firms? Well, I decided to just be an idiot and just go the complete opposite of the big titans out there because, funny enough, True Forex Funds was considered, big staple prop firm company. They ain't going anywhere. They were the very first prop firm I used, and they went insolvent literally within the month I started doing prop firms. So I'm like, right, so this big boy company goes insolvent on me. What am I going to do? Going to use the complete opposite, a very brand new, new on the block, no one's heard of, Aquafunded. Bang, done it. And yeah, so quite the opposite, really. Some advice. I have a working strategy, but recently found a more uh oh, retracted. Yeah, that sucks, isn't it? Like, True Forex fans, I thought I'd be good. Funny enough, I tried to do this YouTube series where like I'll do 100K funded or like 0 to 100K in profit, whatever. And I was trying to do a like follow along, but like upload it later down the line, but like have 6 months worth of like progress put into like 3 or 4 videos and just shove it like back to back videos. But yeah, considering with what happened with True Forex fans, a lot of that footage is like doesn't matter because hey, yeah, I was back again. I have a working strategy for more advanced ones. It's hard to understand. I think if going back to my old strategy. So yeah, well, whichever strategy you pick, I say pick pick one and stick with it. You know, and don't don't have eyes for other strategies. Like it's like a girlfriend, really. Once you got eyes set on her, you're not looking for any other girls, right? But yeah, if your girl does give you, all the attention, all the emotional support you need, then stick with it, right? If she's a toxic one, you might want to run the other way. So it depends how you're finding that strategy that you're doing right now. Is it a nourishing relationship or is it like a is it a toxic one? Pullback is through the roof. Do you ever scale in? Current trade looks like a solid one to scale in soon. I don't scale in. No, I don't. I just go break even, and if it taps me out at break even, I get tapped out at break even. That's how it goes for me. No worries. Hopefully you understood my little metaphor with a girlfriend sort of thing. You know. Yeah. 245. 245. Well, could be a break even trade. Won't mind that. It's not an L. And at least I didn't lose my guy's -1% on his funded account. Well, not funded account, challenge account. Oh, bless me. To be fair, if this hits break even, I can then end the stream and go eat some steak. That would be nice. Well, it's only a rump steak, so it's not the best of steak, not the best flavor profile, but hey. Yeah, my computer's still doing that loading thing. I just can't access any of my other apps. Crazy. To be fair, I think my siblings have been pretty quiet this live stream. They haven't really been shouting. Probably playing Fortnite right now. Tell you what, because I'm live streaming, I haven't really paid attention as much to the trade. Whereas when I'm just sat here on my own, staring at the chart, look, if Price does that, I would usually kick my desk. But but yeah, no, it's been pretty calm. I guess I kind of have to set a good example to you guys. How many siblings I got? I got two younger ones. I'm the oldest, unfortunately. But yeah, I'd have to set a good example to you guys, so I can't be screaming and swearing. So if it hits break even, it hits break even. So yeah, it kind of keeps me a little bit accountable, I guess. But yeah, I think that is break even hit with my one of one funded account. That is now. Not yet, actually. Very close. It's about there. It's basically there. That's crazy because it essentially was there, just didn't quite get tapped out. Okay, that's not been tapped out. Oh, my personal account. Oh, my personal account has been tapped out though. That is unfortunate. But because it's not connected through the trade copier, sad times, eh? So yeah, I don't know if you can see, but this is my 100k funded with Aqua funded. The trade ended up being a $149 win because I put my break even ever so slightly in profit. My MetaTrader 4 trade history is £57 in profit. So yeah, that's a break even trade for the personal account and the funded account. We'll take that. Put the MetaTrader 5 for the one of one funded. It's actually still in, hasn't it? Just about missed. So yeah, I don't know. Are you? I'm assuming my guy with the equity edge account is still tagged in because he probably put your stop loss at the exact break even point, haven't you? Ah, God, I hate the winter. That is crazy. Tapped out a break even on my personal account, but one of one funded, still going. To be fair, the whole point of this live stream is for this one of one funded, not about my personal account or anything else. So at least we still got content for you guys right now. That is crazy. Have you tried set and forget management? I have not. As in like the FX Alex G sort of strategy. No, no. I understand his mentality is it's either stop loss or take profit. Fair enough. But you know, I am more of the I set at break even, 100 points. But like with a good enough win rate slash risk toward ratio, sometimes you don't need to go break even. Your edge will play out. You'll be in profit over the long run. Yeah, no. Let's see how this goes, really. If this gets tapped out again, this is not trying to. There it is. Very close. Not bad trade anyway. I'm happy I took the trade. Yeah, so you had a breakout of the US high. Price came back just about tapped in and then shot off. That's what I look for, so I took a buy. Price then did shoot off a bit, went break even, came back down to my break even. Oh well, it was a good trade nonetheless. I'll take that. And yeah, I do put my take stop loss slightly in profit. That's typically just to cover any of the commissions and charges, stuff like that. But that's why I put it ever so slightly in profit. So my break even isn't a technical loss on paper. How do you go about putting a TP? TP is at 300 points with this trade. That's just flat because I don't have a targeted zone. Whereas if the trade played out like this, came into the zone and shot down, my TP would be this zone, which is US low, rather than, just aiming at for 300 points. I do think it's going to hit break even, actually. So I wouldn't mind that. Means I can go have my steak. So a couple of things I need to know is how one of one funded works with their lot sizes. Because apparently 30 lots is too much on a 200k account for US30, but a 100k account on Aqua funded, 20 lots is okay. So I'll have to figure that out. And yeah, figure that out for next time. Second off, probably need to get a better computer, but for the live streaming. But that would mean that my progress for the 200k account is break even. Still technically in the trade. That is crazy. So it's about 40 points of profit, but like 1.5, 0.5% profit. Oh, is this going to be the finishing candle for me? Oh, look, I got it back again. Oh, yeah, gone. Finished. Look at that. So I am chilling at a 57. Can I just change for a custom period just today? Yep. So 57 in profit. Commission zero because IC Markets is the best broker in the world. But yeah, that was my personal account, at least. But with my one of one funded account, that's still in because the slight different in pricing allowed me to still be in the trade. So I'm going to turn off MetaTrader 4 so then it doesn't break my computer. Oh, and it's broken again. Oh well. Oh well. At 3 o'clock, I might have to end the stream, guys, because I do have stuff I need to get on with, like eating my lunch and then getting ready for work, working at the pub down the road. Oh well. But just to let you guys know, I will be streaming every weekday, apart from next Friday, but every weekday around 2:30 because that's when New York Stock Exchange opens. So I'll be doing that until maybe around 3, 3:30, something like that. Hour long stream. Yeah. Tell you what, price is pushing again. Price is pushing again. It's a shame that my personal account's been taken out, slash my funded account, but hey. 200k account. This is why you guys are here for the live stream because this is the whole point of the live stream. Taking a 200k account, passing it, and yeah. Oh, and it's exploding. And I do have a hard TP on that account, so that's all cool. I probably will set an alert actually for saying TP hit. So then when I'm at work or wherever the hell I am, I will know that my TP's been hit, right? 9 p.m. Because it's time to close it anyway. Great, bang. God, it's exploded again. Hey, is my guy with the is he still here? And if you are you still in the trade or have you been taken out break even? It's back over 100 points of profit. Crazy. If it's 100 points of profit, that's 100 points of profit, 6 grand. That's 600, 200. Okay, so 5 losses, 3%. So, 2.5. Ah, okay, okay. 2.5. Well, I just realized it's essentially my one-on-one funded. I just risked 3% instead of 1.5. That's essentially how it worked out to be. I think my guy isn't here. Asked him a question, he's not here. So sad. I imagine he got taken out break even. That's why he's not in the live stream anymore. So sad. I wish the best for you, brother. I am actually still in the trade, unfortunately. You might have been taking out break even, but hey, I mean, so have I in my personal account, but not my one-on-one funded account. Big up TGR trades for the one-on-one funded account. 100% profit splits. Wow, made me buy instantly. Crazy. It is now 3 o'clock, guys. So I might have to say goodbye to you guys. I know. Leave you with, showing you that I'm at 6 grand. Yeah, be careful when you win the election. I know. Next week is tough. It's not just the election that's next week. It's UK interest rates, US interest rates, elections as well. It's just a long week next week, I must say. Crazy. Crazy stuff. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna probably let this trade run. And Monday, when I next do the live stream, I'll probably update you guys on how this trade played out for my one-of-one funded account. All right. Well, I'll see you guys Monday actually. And if you guys want to watch the video that's coming Friday, not Friday, Sunday, please watch. Please watch. It's a pretty cool video. Well, I didn't really do much editing magic in it, but like I passed my funded account. Good fun, right? All right then, guys. So peace out.